and welcome to Academically. So this notification is for all the MBBS doctors. So all the MBBS doctors who want to get attached to a government opportunity, this notification is for you. It's coming from one of the prestigious institutions of India of the finance field, which is Reserve Bank of India. So as you can see, there's a notification for engagement of bank's medical consultant on the basis with fixed hourly remuneration at Reserve Bank of India. So the invitees can apply through this application, okay? And the only eligibility criteria which they have mentioned is the MBBS degree. So if you have an MBBS degree and if you are a recognized medical practitioner, you can practice as a consultant in Reserve Bank of India. Let's see what exactly it is. So as you all can see, the application in the format from the eligible interested candidate along with the self-attested photocopies of certificates of professional and academic qualifications. If you have any reservation, your caste certificate, experience certificate should reach the Regional Director, Human Resource Management, Reserve Bank of India, Hyderabad before 5 p.m. on October 30, 2025. So the last day to apply is October 30, 2025, as you all can see, guys. So there is a proper application format which they have released, and in that particular format on or before 5 p.m. on October 30, 2025, you have to finish up with your application along with the self-attested copies of the document which is asked. If you talk about the examination criteria or the selection process, it's very simple. You have to go with your documents, with your original documents. So what you will do, you will print out the application form. I'll just show it what it is. You'll fill that form along with the self-attested documents, send it to this particular address. You all can see the address is Regional Director, Human Resource Management Department, Reserve Bank of India. Your criteria should be minimum possess MBBS degree from any recognized university in the allopathy system of medicine, and you should have minimum 2 years of experience in any hospital. Okay, so along with your documents and your filled form, you have to send it to this particular address, right? Talking about the remuneration and salary, you can easily get up to 2 lakh rupees because you'll be paid on hourly basis. 1000 for 1 hour is the remuneration, as you all can see, and your posting will be done on this particular dispensary. So your working address will be either the main office building of Reserve Bank of India, Saifabad, Hyderabad, or RBI staff quarters, Begumpet, Hyderabad. The vacancy is from there. Your working days in main office will be Monday to Friday. Your working days in the Begumpet office will be Monday to Saturday, are 11 to 4 and 4 to 6 over here. So you'll be paid hourly on the basis of the number of patients you have. Okay, now let's talk about the application form. What kind of application form you have? So if you talk about the application form, guys, there's a proper written format application in the annexure. As you can see, application for engagement of medical consultant. So you have to affix a recent passport size photograph over here. Then you have to fill your names and everything, all your details. And the one catch over here is if you are from Hyderabad, only then you can apply. Okay, your dispensary should be within 3 to 5 kilometers radius of the main office building of Hyderabad Reserve Bank of India or Begumpet office of Hyderabad. Alright, so you have to put up the contact details, your approximate distance from the main building and the Begumpet staff quarter, your date of birth, place of domicile. So this is the entire thing. You have to put up your educational qualification and make sure whatever you are declaring over here, the original has to be carried for the interview. They'll tell you when the interview will happen, but the self-attested photocopied version have to be sent along with this application form. You can put up the details of your experience or any other factor you have, date, place, instruction, name and signature, and all the details in the form must be filled by the applicant, and attested copies of certificates regarding age, educational qualification, caste, experience should accompany the application. And if you are working as a medical officer for any institution, the details of that institution and the working hours should also be mentioned so that they do not clash with this. And it's a contractual basis job. For 3 years you will be on a contract basis. Even if you are working at somewhere, you can apply over here. Okay, if you want to, like Begumpet office timing is only 4 to 6 p.m. So you can work as a consultant with RBI and it gets added to your CV also, which makes your CV even stronger. So everybody, this was all about the medical officer vacancy which has come up in Hyderabad. It's a contractual vacancy for 3 years. You can go and you can apply over there. All right, and your application should reach by October 30. It's an interview process, no examination. all the MBBS graduates with minimum 2 years of experience, you can go and apply. And even if you're having a government job or working as a medical officer, you can work because it's a contractual basis job. Thank you so much for watching Academically. We'll come up with more job opportunities for the medical doctors. Till then, keep watching our videos, like, share, and subscribe, and comment if you have anything else to add. Thank you.